Welcome to BikeSphere. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 500A. True blend of vintage style and modern technology, the new Classic 500 is here to turn heads and redefine what we know about timeless motorcycles, design and aesthetics. The 2025 Classic 500 retains the iconic look that made the previous models legendary, but with some subtle yet significant updates. The retro design is complemented by sleek new finishes, a fresh set of paint options, and an improved chrome treatment that catches the eye. The all-new headlamp and redesigned taillights give the bike a contemporary touch while preserving its vintage charm. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Classic 500 is a reworked 499cc single-cylinder engine. Royal Enfield has refined the engine for smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency, while still maintaining that signature thump. With improved exhaust systems, it now produces more power and torque, making it a more capable performer on highways as well as city street. Technology and features. For 2025, Royal Enfield has incorporated several technological updates to enhance the riding experience. The bike now comes with dual-channel ABS for better safety, a more refined electronic fuel injection system, and an upgraded instrument cluster with a digital speedometer and trip meter. These additions offer a perfect balance between retro vibes and modern tech. Ride and handling. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Classic 500 has received some updates to its suspension and frame. The new chassis provides more stability at higher speeds while maintaining the comfortable, relaxed ride that classic models are known for. Whether you're cruising on long roads or navigating through city traffic, the Classic 500 promises a smooth, enjoyable ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 500 brings the best of both worlds, timeless aesthetics and modern performance. It's a perfect motorcycle for anyone who wants the classic charm with the latest technology. If you're considering adding this beauty to your collection, the Classic 500 is definitely worth a look. Thanks for tuning in to BikeSphere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite bikes. See you next time.